Good morning, my dear students. Let us continue our story, The Enemy. Yesterday, we read that Dr. Sadao was standing outside his home and he was watching towards the sea. And the weather was misty. There was mist. And at the same time, his wife came out and he remembered how he met Hannah in America and how they got married. Let us continue the story. We have read till this point. When Sadao saw Hannah, he decided that he would marry her. Let us read from this point. Now he felt her hand on his arm and was aware of the pleasure it gave him, even though they had been married years enough to have the two children. For they had not married heedlessly. Heedlessly means in haste, जल्दी में. In America, उन्होंने जल्दी में शादी नहीं की थी अमेरिका में. They had finished their work at school, means they had finished their study and had come home to Japan. And when his father had seen her means Hannah. When Sadao's father had seen Hannah, the marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way. And it is because Sadao's father's wish was to get his son married with a Japanese girl and in old Japanese ways. Although Sadao and Hannah had talked everything over beforehand, they were perfectly happy. She laid her cheek against his arm. So they had decided everything about their marriage, but they waited until Sadao's father gave his permission for their marriage. And they got married in the way as his father wished him to get married. They were perfectly happy. She laid her cheek against his arm. It was at this moment that both of them saw something black come out of the mists. So something black figure came out of mist. It was a man. He was flung up. He was thrown up. Flung up means thrown up out of the ocean. Flung, it seemed. ऐसा लग आगे जैसे किसी ने फेंका हो. To his feet by a breaker. Breaker here means a wave. A powerful wave of the sea. एक लहर ने शायद उसको बाहर पटक दिया था. The man was thrown out of the sea by a wave. He staggered. Stagger means to walk without any balance, means आप लड़खड़ा के चलते हो तो उसको बोलते हैं stagger. He staggered a few steps. जैसे शराबी चलते हैं या फिर कोई बच्चा जब शुरू में चलना शुरू करता है फर्स्ट टाइम तो वो भी लड़खड़ाता है, और कोई व्यक्ति अनकॉन्शियस होने वाला होता है तो वो भी लड़खड़ा के चलता है. और इफ़ you don't have vitality at that time also you stagger. His body outlined against the mist. His body was visible in the mist, his arms above his head. Then the curled mists hid him again. The mist hid him again. धुंध में वो दोबारा छुप गया. Who is that? Hannah cried. She dropped Sadao's arm and they both leaned over the railing. They both bent over the railing of the veranda. They wanted to see who that person was. Now they saw him again. The man was on his hands and knees, crawling. He was crawling. रेंगता हुआ आ रहा था वो. Then they saw him fall on his face and lie there. और वो बाद में अपने मुंह के बल गिर गया और वहीं पर लेटा रहा. So both of them watched the man in that condition. Officer man, perhaps. Sadao answered now. Hannah asked, "Who is that?" And Sadao answered now, "Officer man, perhaps. Watched from his boat." शायद अपनी नाव से बह गया है. He ran quickly down the steps and behind him Hannah came, her wide sleeves flying. A mile or two away on either side there were fishing villages. जहाँ पर सडाओ रहता था उसके 1-2 मील राइट और लेफ्ट दोनों साइड में फिशिंग विलेजेस थे, यानी कि मछुआरों के गांव. बट हेयर वॉज ओनली द बेयर एंड लोनली कोस्ट. पर सदाओ के घर के पास तो जो कोस्ट था, जो बीच था, वो लोनली था, बेयर था. देयर वॉज नथिंग डेंजरस विद रॉक्स. और वहाँ पर खतरनाक रॉक्स थी, चट्टाने, माउंटेन्स. एंड देवर स्पाइक्स थे उनमें. द सर्फ बियॉन्ड द बीच वॉज स्पाइक्ड विद रॉक्स. सर्फ मीन्स वेव्स. जो लहरें थी समुद्र की वो भरी हुई थी स्पाइक्ड रॉक्स से. Somehow the man had managed to come through them. He must be badly torn. भले ही वो आ गया है उन नुकीली चट्टानों से निकल करके. Still his badly torn means wound. घायल है वो बहुत ज़्यादा. Definitely उन नुकीली चट्टानों में से निकल के आया तो चोट लगी होगी उसको. They saw when they came toward him that indeed it was so. Really it was so. He was wounded. The sand on one side of him had already a stain of red soaking through. Soaking through means खून का रिस करके बाहर आना. खून के रिस के बाहर आने से वहाँ पर रेत जो था उसमें स्टेन लग गया था ब्लड का. So it shows that he was bleeding. He is wounded, Sadao exclaimed. He made haste. He was brisk. जल्दीबाजी में था वो. To the man means जल्दी से वो उस आदमी के पास गया. Who lay motionless without any motion, without any movement. His face in the sand. उसका माउथ रेत में था. An old cap stuck to his head. Soaked with sea water, drenched with sea water, भीगी हुई. Soaked, stuck means चिपकी हुई, और soaked गीली, समुद्र के पानी से भीगी. उसकी एक कैप उसके सर से चिपकी हुई थी. He was in wet rags of garments. Rags of garments means कपड़े जो थे उसके बड़े बुरी कंडीशन में थे. Sadao stopped. Hannah at his side. Hannah was standing beside him and turned the man's head. They saw the face. A white man? Hannah whispered. गोरा. हल्की आवाज में बोला हाना ने, ये तो गोरा है. Yes, it was a white man. The wet cap fell away, and there was his wet yellow hair, long as though for many weeks it had not been cut, and upon his young and tortured face was a rough yellow beard. He was unconscious and knew nothing that they did for him. Unconscious means बेहोश. वो बेहोश था. उसके बाल येलोइश जैसे अमेरिकन लोगों के बाल होते थे. That kind of hair he had. His beard was also of the same color. And he was a white man means आपको पता है अमेरिकन्स की जो स्किन होती है उनका कलर वाइट होता है. वाइट वैसे यूज़ करते हैं. वाइट बिल्कुल वाइट तो नहीं होता है. वाइट तो पेपर होता है. बट वी जनरली से दैट दे आर वाइट. अंग्रेज़ों को हमारे देश में जब वो हमारे यहाँ पर राज करते तो हम उनको गोरा ही बोलते थे, गोरे. बट दे वर नॉट रियली. वैसे ब्रिटिशर्स जो होते हैं उनकी बॉडी जो होती है, अमेरिकन्स जो होते हैं उनकी बॉडी पर कुछ डॉट्स होते हैं. वी कैन स्पेक्स धब्बे से होते हैं. एंड इफ़ वी गो क्लोज टू देम, only then we are able to watch. Now Sadao remembered the wound, and with his expert fingers means, why was his fingers expert? Because he was a doctor. He usually did the same thing. He began to search for it. Blood flowed freshly at his touch. As soon as he touched the wound, blood started flowing. On the right side of his lower back, Sadao saw that a gun wound had been reopened. एक गन गोली लगे हुए घाव था, एक गोली लगी हुई थी वहाँ पर, वो दोबारा से ओपन हो गया था। मीन्स उसमें से दोबारा से ब्लीडिंग स्टार्ट हो गई थी। इट मीन्स ब्लीडिंग रुक चुकी थी पहले और अभी दोबारा से स्टार्ट हुई थी। इट मीन्स व्हाट डज दिस मीन? यस, हमारी बॉडी भी तो रिकवर करती है। अगर हम अपने वुंड को रेस्ट नहीं करने देंगे तो वो ठीक नहीं होगा। दैट्स वाई वी डू ड्रेसिंग। डॉक्टर्स पट्टी करते हैं, वो इसलिए करते हैं सो दैट हम अपने वुंड को ज़्यादा मूवमेंट में ना लाएं, ताकि उसको थोड़ा रेस्ट मिले और हमारी बॉडी अपने आप हीलिंग करती है। ऑल्दो दैट पर्सन वॉज नॉट treated, still his body was trying to recover. The flesh was blackened with powder. Which powder? Gunpowder. फ्लैश जो था, फ्लैश मीन्स बॉडी फ्लैश, मीट जो हमारा मांस होता है उसको बोलते हैं। sometime not many days ago the man had been shot and had not been tended means cared. उस आदमी को गोली मारी है कुछ दिन पहले और इसकी फिर किसी ने केयर भी नहीं की गोली मारने के बाद। जैसे कि गोली मारने के बाद कोई केयर करता है, गोली अगर केयर करनी होती है तो गोली क्यों मारे भाई कोई? मीन्स कोई गोली कोई और मारे और केयर कोई और करे। सो ही वॉज नॉट टेंडेड। इट वॉज बैड चांस दैट द रॉक हैड स्टक द वुंड। इट वॉज अ बैड लक। जहाँ पर गोली लगी थी रॉक ने भी वहीं पर घाव किया। इट ऑल्सो pierced at the same point of the body. Oh, how he is bleeding. कितना खून बह रहा है इसका। Hannah whispered. Hannah spoke very slowly, lightly, in a faint voice. Whispered तभी करते हैं हम जब कानाफूसी करते हैं। Again in a solemn voice. She said it in solemn voice. Solemn means serious voice. It was a matter of being serious. That's why she spoke it solemnly. The mist screened them now completely, and at this time of day, no one came by. There was no one. There was none other than these three people. The fisherman had gone home, and even the chance of beachcombers. Beachcombers are those people who just go to the beach for सर्चिंग समथिंग वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स लाइक पर्ल्स वगैरह, कोई सीप मिल जाए, इस तरह की चीज़ें ढूंढते हैं। लहरों के साथ कुछ कीमती चीज़ें आ जाती हैं बह करके, सो दे जस्ट कीप सर्चिंग फॉर दीज थिंग्स। और मछलियाँ मिल जाएं। वुड हैव कंसिडर्ड द डे एट एन एंड। सो बीच कॉम्बर्स भी नहीं आएंगे, मछुआरे भी जा चुके हैं, उन्होंने भी सोच लिया कि दिन ख़त्म हो चुका है। इट वॉज द एंड ऑफ द डे, सो दे ऑल हैड गॉन देयर होम। What shall we do with this man? Sadao muttered. Muttered means murmured, बड़बड़ाया वो कि क्या करें इस आदमी का हम। Why did he ask this question? If he had been a Japanese, तो उनको ये क्वेश्चन पूछने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी। They would take him his home and treat him, or they would call an ambulance. But what should they do now? This question is crucial. But his trained hands seemed of their own will to be doing what they could do to staunch means to stop bleeding, the fearful bleeding. Although Sadao was trying to find the answer of that question, what shall we do with this man, still at the same time his fingers were doing the thing which was required to stop the bleeding. And why was this so? ऐसा क्यों था? Because doctors are always trained to stop the blood. तो इट वॉज बींग डन अनकॉन्शियसली, सबकॉन्शियसली। अगर आप किसी चीज़ में एक्सपर्ट हैं, अब आप अगर डेली एक ही काम करते हैं, इट हैज़ बिकम योर हैबिट, सो यू कांट स्टॉप योर सेल्फ। आपके हाथ बार बार उसी चीज़ में जाएंगे। मेंटली यू योर सेल्फ डोंट नो वट यू आर डूइंग, बट योर हैंड्स आर डूइंग दैट थिंग। तो डॉक्टर के हाथ वही काम कर रहे थे, वट वॉज needed there. His hands were trying to staunch the blood, fearful blood. And what did he do to stop the blood? He packed the wound with the sea moss. सी मॉस, सी की जो, सी में ग्रीन कलर की जो वेजिटेशन होती है, काई बोलते हैं उसको हम, उससे उसने उसको भर दिया। दैट स्प्रेड द बीच, जो बीच पर फैली हुई थी उसको उठा के उसने घाव को भर दिया। The man moaned. The man cried with pain in his stupor, in his unconsciousness, अपनी बेहोशी में ही, but he did not awaken. Here it is wrong. You should correct it. But he did not awake. It should be awake. जागा नहीं, वो होश से जागा नहीं, बेहोशी से, लेकिन कराहा जरूर, because it was painful for him. The best thing that we could do would be to put him back in the sea. Here it is an irony. Best thing हो सकती है कि इसको हम समुद्र में वापस फेंक दें। Sadao said, answering himself. How can it be best? If they throw him back into the sea, he would die of himself. अपने आप ही मर जाएगा। It is better to hand him over. It is better than handing him over to the police. क्यों वो बुरी तरह से सता के मारेंगे, पीट के मारेंगे ना, ये ऐसे ही मर जाएगा बेहोशी में। It is less painful death, Sadao said, answering himself. और वो भी बच जाएंगे, because they would also be charged for harboring or for giving shelter to an enemy. Who is the enemy of not only a village, only a city? He was the enemy of the whole country. He was the enemy of Japan. It was a time of war with America, so the soldier of America was their enemy. Now that the bleeding was stopped for the moment, he stood up and dusted the sand from his hands. He stood up. Yes, undoubtedly, that would be best, Hannah said steadily. Steadily means without any emotion. But she continued to stare down. Stare means to look intently, घूर के देखना, at the motionless man. उस आदमी की तरफ उसने घूर के देखा, without blinking her eyelids. If we sheltered a white man in our house, we should be arrested, and if we turned him over as a prisoner, he would certainly die, Sadao said. दोनों कंडीशन में मरेगा। अगर हम इसको प्रिजनर के तौर पे सौंप देंगे तो भी मरेगा। They would kill him, and they would kill him mercilessly. And if we sheltered a white man, अगर हम इसे अपने घर में शरण देते हैं, आश्रय देते हैं, हमें अरेस्ट कर लिया जाएगा। It was a very difficult question to answer. The kindest thing would be to put him back into the sea, Hannah said. Again there is an irony. सबसे दयालुता की बात होगी कि उसको वापस समुद्र में फेंक दिया जाए। दयालुता की बात तो होती है बचाना, बट दे वर ट्राइंग टू थ्रो हिम इन द सी, सो इट वॉज एन आयरनी। मीनिंग कुछ और निकल रहा है ना भाई। आप जो कह रहे हो ना, लिटरली जो मीनिंग निकल रहा है वो जो आप कहना चाहते हो उससे डिफरेंट है। लिटरली तो मीनिंग निकल रहा है काइंडेस्ट होगा, बट होगा काइंडेस्ट। इफ दे थ्रो हिम इनटू द सी ही वुड डाई। अनकॉन्शियस है, घायल है, मर जाएगा। Hannah said, but neither of them moved. They were staring with a curious repulsion. Repulsion means hate. Upon the inert figure. Inert means lazy. Inert means inactive. Figure was inactive, the man was inactive, and he was inactive because of unconsciousness. What is he? Hannah whispered. क्या है ये? Means what is his post? What is his profession? There is something about him that looks American, Sadao said. He took up the battered cap. Battered means torn, फटी हुई cap. उसने उठाई. Yes, they're almost gone. Was the faint lettering. Letters थे, कुछ लिखा हुआ था उस पे कुछ. And what was written? A sailor. Sailor, Navik, he said. From an American warship. Warship means the ship which is used at the time of war with another country. He spelled it out. US Navy. The man was a prisoner of war. Prisoner of war means war के टाइम पे कन्फाइन किया गया, अरेस्ट किया गया दूसरी सेना का सैनिक. अमेरिका की सेना का ये सैनिक जापान ने पकड़ लिया था, कैप्चर कर लिया था. ही हैज़ एस्केप्ड, हाना क्राइड सॉफ्टली. अच्छा, तो ये बच के निकला है. एंड दैट्स वाई ही इज़ वुंडेड, और इसीलिए ये घायल है. बच के निकला, जब जापानीज सोल्जर्स ने इसको पकड़ लिया होगा. एंड देन ही एस्केप्ड फ्रॉम देयर क्लचेज. दैट्स वाई ही इज़ वुंडेड इन द बैक. सदाओ एग्रीड. सदाओ मान गया. सदाओ ने एग्रीड करते हुए कहा, हाँ इसीलिए तो पीठ में गोली लगी हुई है, भाग रहा होगा तभी उन्होंने गोली मारी होगी. दे हेजिटेटेड, looking at each other. Then Hannah said with resolution, with determination. What did she say? Come, चलो. Are we able to put him back into the sea? देखते हैं हम इसको वापस फेंक सकते हैं या नहीं. If I am able